Tulog na tayo.
Kuya Vici, pasok ka. Yeah, Kuya Kim, pasok ka.
Hindi kayo makalugil. Ingat, makalugil yung iPad ko. Kasi may nakalawit eh. Tanggalin ko na yung socks. Hello, anchors!
Kuya Kim, pasok ka. Kuya Vici, pasok ka.
Hindi, dito. Uupo lang daw ako ulit. Yan. Dito na lang. Okay, patingin.
Marcos, you're not seen there.
Dito ba?
Okay.
Dito ko Marcos
Wait.
Pelicos dito.
Dito na.
Ayan, dito.
Ano to?
Ala, napuputol si Kim.
Wala ka si Kim. Siksi ka dito. Yan.
Yan.
Everything.
Hello guys, we are
Horizon!
Oh my gosh.
Happy 3rd! 5, 6, 7, 8. Happy 3rd anniversary!
Cake na kami nung anniversary event, kaya wala na kaming cake na.
Yeah, we ate it already. So mag-healthy foods muna kami kasi puro fruits yung nasa harap na.
Yeah, so Horizon is 3 years old now. Pero hindi kami 3 years old.
Mukha lang.
Grabe, may tumawa sa joke ko. Yes! For the first time in forever. Okay.
Okay, sa 3 years natin, ano na yung favorite yung song natin na nalabas?
Fly with it.
Birthday.
Ano sa akin? Love it, still the best. The best of the best.
Birthday mo.
Yes, 3 years na. Ang Horizon!
Yeah! And yeah, as you can see, Garis is not here. Pero, you know,
Horizon is always 7.
yeah.
Because it's in our name. 7. Yeah.
Happy 3rd anniversary to Kuya Racer too. Yeah.
Wala si Tom.
Oo, yes. He is resting. Happy anniversary. Guys, may nahanap akong dating recording namin.
Recording? Saan?
We love you, Horizon. We love you too.
16?
Hindi, ng mama. Nakita ko sa luma ko phone. As in, pinapractice natin kung paano kakanta.
Mama!
Promise, may ganun pa.
Ganun talaga yan.
Si Jiro. Wait. Wait, papakinggan na. Tingnan, ipakinggan. Based on tawa ko na ba?
Wait.
Wait, I'm a fine.
Yung masarap yan sa deck.
Uy!
Mailman din.
Nasaan na? Iyan din. Sakit niyan. Nasaan na kayo rin shit yung What is your wish to your group? Ang wish namin is
Magkakotse kami sa isa.
guys, at magkabahay po. You know, actually, this is our house.
Yes.
Horizon house.
I bought it yesterday.
Yeah, so yes, pagka-housewarming na namin to.
Yeah.
Napabasbasan na rin namin to.
Padala na kayo ng housewarming gifts.
Thank you.
The address is...
Hindi ko makita. Saan ko nilagay?
Alagi
Wait.
na makita.
Record.
Tahimik yan.
Tahimik yarn.
Hoy. Sinend ko yung galing sa luma akong kunin. Hindi ka na.
Natusok, boy. Natusok, ha?
Boy.
Ready na po mag-swimming si Kuya Winston.
Yeah!
Talo na yan, guys.
Alam niyo ba guys?
What if yun yung gawin natin sa TikTok live?
Mag-swimming?
Tulak natin si Kuya Winston.
Oo, ready ko na rin naman.
Hindi pwede,
Alam niyo guys, TMI, si Kuya Winston, nakamotor siya nakaganyan.
Sumakay siya ng motor.
Oo. Sumakay siya ng motor nakaganyan, tapos pagdating niya dito nakaganyan siya. Ready to swim yard.
Kayo pre?
Mama kayo guys! Palakpakan!
Hindi talaga makita si Nento talaga dito.
Hindi naman joke yun, yung TMI nga eh.
Yun na kaya wala sila namin eh. Okay.
Di ba siya mamaya, bato ka sa'yo.
Thank you nga pala kay Kuya
Tutulak ka daw mamaya ni Jiro.
Anniversary ano.
Yeah.
Kuya Gino.
Oh yes. Shout out to Kuya Gino Bay.
Thank you po.
Thank you, salamat. Shout out to Kuya Racer. Shout out to our anchors.
Shout out to everyone.
Shout out to Jeremy.
Hindi lang talaga.
Wala?
Yeah, wait.
Wala na talaga.
Hindi na na. What the hell?
Hello boys watching from Dubai.
Dubai?
Yeah.
Hindi, hello boys lang.
Shout out.
Bakas kung ano yung name nyo ng email.
Ayan.
Baka may mabasa mo.
Wabi.
Hindi naman. Careful naman.
Ano lang na nito?
Hindi ko mahanap
Tayo
talaga
na
pero
muna ang popcorn.
nasend ko yun dito.
Yes guys, ngayon, mga stocks na lang kinakain namin kasi. Tapos na kami.
Tapos na lang kumain na kami ng
Nag-dinner na kami, so sa mga hindi pa kumakain dyan, please eat dinner already kasi it's 8:30 na. Am I right?
8:13, yeah.
Yeah.
Basta
So,
gabi na.
Basta gabi na. It's dinner time already.
Sa gabi, yun na.
Yeah. Tapos, hindi ako, di ba?
Okay lang yan, man.
Mamaya kayo.
Parang ang dami ko, for this ngayong araw.
Oo nga eh.
Damit mo lang, offered.
Look!
Aray.
Aray.
Grabe naman.
Kaya wala kumakaunap na yun.
Wala kang
Ingay!
No fighting, guys.
We're not fighting, we're just joking.
Ngayon na tayo. Pahinga natin ito ngayon, guys. So,
Yes.
magkakasama tayo.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Makita. Sinend ko yung dito, grabe. Saan? Dito sa
Basta story na lang yan sa sunod
Nasa
sa...
Huwag ka mag-story ko na.
Sorry.
Tapos
Horizon Night, tas picture lang.
Kasi di ba siya yung part dun sa ano yung
Yung bibirin.
Mama. Tapos si Kyler tumatawa nung ikaw yung sunod na part nun. Tapos tumatawa siya habang nagre-record. Nasira. Pero ang ganda nung run natin. Tapos nasira kasi natawa si Kyler. Pero sayang wala na. Hindi ko nakakita yung recording.
Guys, narinig nyo ba kami na clear?
Nari, nga no, malayo kasi tayo.
Oo, wala yung kaya rin ako nagtataka eh.
And they hear. Rinig ba?
Oo.
Ay, try natin yun. Sound check.
Yes daw sa akin.
Yes, ayun.
Okay, thank you for answering.
Thank you for the rules. Eh, may rules din tayo.
Ay, oo nga pala.
Ayun, may rules oh.
Grabe
Papatok mo ng rules.
Pogi nyo instant, man.
Kaya nga
Sa
eh.
live.
Kaya nga eh.
Sa live lang.
Hindi, pero pogi nyo, man.
Ah!
Tingnan mo.
Thank you for the rules.
Bless nyo, man.
Kaya nga, parang nakakahiya ka tabi sa
Kulang nga
Kuya
tawag.
Winston.
Ano yan, boy?
Tara, alis na tayo.
Tara.
Sige, wait, sunod na lang, guys.
Sorry na lang.
Sunod na lang ni Winston.
Oo, fresh siya
So,
mag-shave.
Luis yarn.
Oo, maganda siya. Magturo siya how to swim.
Pero gusto mo mag-swimming ngayon?
Siya naman, bigla mo nakano.
Ano tara? Jiro!
Kaya mag-chinelas ako.
Mag-swimming live na tayo lang.
How to swim, pre. Tutorial how to swim. By Winston Pineda. Aray ko, aray.
Ha, ha, ha.
Aray. Yun naman, hindi ko kasi Jiro eh.
So, ano yun? We are so back.
Yes, we're so back.
We are so back.
The boys are back. The boys are back.
Fresh talaga ni Kuya Winston.
Kaya nga eh, siya lang.
May sarili siyang ring light.
Ring light.
Parang
Yes.
kakahon niya lang sa pool.
Actually, kakagising niya lang.
Tapos nung nagbiyahe siya papunta.
Nagbiyahe siya papunta dito.
Nakamotor.
Kasi nakaganito na, no?
Parang gini pa lang naligo.
Nakasuot ka na. Nakasuot ka na talaga.
Hindi. Oo.
Gini pa lang swimming na boy. Swimming na siya, no?
Sining kami.
Mahala mo.
Masining ba yun?
Oo. Babad lang ako sa grid.
Hindi lang ako sining.
Nakahita ka video?
Wala, hindi ka mag-swimming.
Hindi. Luminod yan ako.
No! Wala akong pamalil, Jiro.
Nagdala pa naman na extra.
Ako wala. Or ano, And then? Sa pool?
Tayo yung karakter. Siyempre ngayon sabay tayo matulog, di ba? Sa isang room. So bukas dapat may pagtripan tayo. Paplano natin kung sino yung pagtripan natin.
Hindi, kung sino yung late magising.
Nagigising.
Ihagis natin sa pool. Buhatin natin.
Hindi naman ako matutulog.
So abangan niyo yung story na yan, guys.
Magising sa atin.
Si Winston.
Ako ba?
Oo.
Maga na ako nagigising.
Maga na siya.
Ilang oras ka nagigising?
Mga 9.
Hindi na natutulog eh.
Ito. Isang tunang si
Alas 4.
O, di ba?
Oh no!
Mas malala ka pala.
Mas wala na siya ngayon.
Nagigising ang mga ate.
Kasi naririnig ko pa siya mga alas 3 ng umaga. Tumatawa pa siya eh.
Sige,
Nanonood pa siya ng comedy. Pag ko narinig
Watch
po,
lang.
papapanog niya. Kagabi, tumatawa siya. Ano pinapanood mo kagabi? Kahit nung anniversary event, wala silang ginawa kundi nag-away sa stage.
Nagawin ba tayo sa stage kami?
Oo, ilang beses mo kaya siyang...
Parang hindi na tayo nag-uusap ng
Hindi
normal.
na away.
Mag-usap na kayo ng matino. Sige, try natin. Mag-usap na kayo ng matino.
Pre, usap na tayo.
Nag-uusap kami, parang laging may away.
O, sige, try natin mag-usap sa matino.
Pag hindi kami nag-uusap ng normal lang na, kumusta?
Okay, go.
Parang lagi kami nag-away.
Mag-usap na kayo, panoodin natin kayo.
Okay, kung yari, ano na, mabait na kayo. 3, 2, 1, go!
Nag-best friend, nag-best friend.
Ayoko mag-speak.
Aray ko. Aray ko.
Wait lang, wala kang papaya ka ng Jiro.
Oo.
Oo, ano?
Yung cheese?
Honey, Edu. Honey,
Ayun, kanya
Oo nga, honey.
Bakit? Pakwan yung cheese eh.
Honey, iabot mo nga dito yung pakwan. Oo.
Aray ko.
Pero alam nyo, watermelon lang yan, tapos naging yellow.
Culture niya kasi ito man.
Ha?
Culture. Culture?
Finishing
Explain mo nga sa
culture.
amin, bakit po?
Ba't siya naging yellow?
Kasi dahil sa araw. Kasi yung red walang din arawan eh. So ito nag-yellow sa dahil sa
How was the Odyssey?
So good. Di mo pa ba napapanood?
Napanood ako. Nanood ako.
Kasi di ba maganda? The best. Yung Odyssey
Ano ba yan?
Pero nag-flash ako, grabe. Kasi,
Parang war about war. Greek gods. Yun.
Kasi super laki ng screen.
oo,
Yeah.
tapos nasa pinakababa ako, nakababa.
Ah?
Nag-wait
Nasa
flash ako.
pinakababa ka?
Oo.
Bakit mo
Hindi
Kasi
wala.
wala nang...
Siguro
talaga eh.
nga mag-sold out. Kami nag-reserve lang kami sa online.
Bakit ko? Universe 2.
Kailangan ka
Wala ba akong
na
makausap sa'yo?
Kailangan na boy.
Ayun na, mag-uusap na sila.
Kailangan na.
Friday?
Kasama siya ticket na
Tate, oh.
Oh, di sila nag-away.
Tuesday.
Hindi na yun.
Yun yung pinakamatin ng marinig ko.
Yun na.
Gantang ka kasi.
I think this 2026, that's their first conversation na.
Gatong kasi.
Di sila nag-away.
Gatong eh.
Si Jiro lagi nagsimula, guys.
Uy, di talaga ako. Ayos-ayos
Well,
ko pag
kapal.
Ang hindi pa nag-away si Winston at si Marcus.
Never. I think
Bakit
never,
kasi ito eh?
never yung nangyari, no? That's
Ganun talaga pag angel, di ba?
Prince of
Angel. Angel.
Oh, ba't walking code? Kapit na kayo.
Simpangan.
Ano?
Wala.
Walang kumakausap.
Dang.
Ba yan? Drake, masabi niyo no?
Wala ko makausap, kinakausap mo ako. Uy.
Naririnig niyo ba yun, guys?
Matcha ka.
Oh, tap!
Sino may mata? Who ordered it?
Oh,
Ay, ako na! Yan gusto ko.
That's my...
No!
Wala ka sa gabi.
Bumalik niya pinun.
Ano na?
Uy, akin!
Akin na yan, akin na yan.
Eh, sa kanila.
Grabe sila sa'yo.
Gusto ko yung may ano ko kay
Alam
Bobby.
mo, maganda boses mo?
Boy, may sinabi ang maganda boses ko.
Wala ka natanong kita eh.
May sinabi ang maganda boses ko.
Wala ka!
Bakit ikaw?
Oo, maganda.
Maganda galaw mo?
Boses.
Wala.
Oo.
Maganda galaw mo?
Oo.
Paano mo nasabi?
Ako rin sabi.
Paano mo nasabi?
Maganda galaw mo?
Oo.
Kaya mo kapantayan?
Oo.
Wait!
Kuya Rick.
Ano nyaw?
Sakit.
Alala, aw.
Ano talaga?
Medyo may spicy yung cheese man.
Hindi guys, yung ano to guys.
Ang weirdo ng mga pinapalaya. Kay Jiro pa lang.
Pre! Kung nanilig ako, kaya na pa yung mapatikip.
Hindi guys, yung mga ganti namin kay Winston joke lang.
Di ba kayo Winston?
Baka seryoso kayo ng mga course ha.
Walang pansinan after.
Kasi kay Winston yung hindi na makamunsun dyan.
Baka sabihin na naman nila, sarap na yun to.
Ano yan kaya?
Pero huwag kayong mag-alala kay Jiro kasi yung totoong brother niya dito sa Horizon, lagi niya kinakasama si Winston.
Yes, tama.
Si Winston na.
Kasi kapag nag-aaway kayo lagi, eh, totoo.
Yung kawan niya si Winston, yung pinaka-best friend niya si Winston din.
Pre. Kaya Winston. Kaya Winston, try mo.
Magagargle na mo.
Kaya Winston, try mo.
Yung sa'yo.
Ayoko meron.
Masarap, masarap. Try mo.
Ayoko may laway mo.
Patry na din.
Bakit mo laway ko siya?
Wait lang, sorry.
May nuts.
Peanut butter yan man.
Galing sa...
Wait, paso tayo.
Ayan, ano yan? Ito.
Send question to our live.
Hindi na masarap, babe.
Ito yung masarap.
Last na yan. Paabot po.
Ito yung masarap. Tama mo.
Wala, wala.
Ito yan eh, parehas tayo eh. Ay ba?
Boogs!
Okay. Ano ba sa'yo?
Order ko sing
Si mamaya.
Guys, nagka-restriction yung live natin.
Really?
Why? Ko.
Hindi ko alam. Sabi lang nila.
Ano sabi?
Consuming substances.
No, bawal. Ay, bawal. Kasi may brand. Wala naman tong brand eh.
Wala naman brand to eh. Brand dami
TikTok,
to.
this is no brand. This is
TikTok, this is Horizon, as you
no?
can see.
No.
No brand.
Can you see? Can you see?
Brand of soap.
Airbnb, no, this is not Airbnb.
No.
This is our house.
Bahay
Sorry.
talaga Vinci guys.
Pinablessing ko na tong.
Bahay talaga ng Vinci guys.
Ay, oo, yung ano.
Pinablessing yung Airbnb.
Oo, lalaki.
Ano yan for the cloud?
Sarap!
Sarap ah! Cookie butter.
Pinadressing nga rin.
Ito may butter. Patry nga ito.
Yum.
Ba't may tubig sa isa?
Sinabi may gamit.
Alam ko
Sinabi may gamit.
alam ko may cellphone si
Nakita ko sa cookie butter cookie butter
Ano yan?
recipe na sabi ko. Try mo.
Ang sarap ma.
May new music kayo, wala pa po. But we're trying to work on it.
Guys,
Popcorn pre oh.
hanggat wala pa kami new music, please stream Fly With It.
Yes, and habang wala pa kaming new album or anything, okay lang naman kayo makinig ng ibang artist. Basta pag naglabas kami, makikinig na kayo ng amin lang. Pero ano bang gusto nyong next genre or next gagawin?
Santa Karen! Santa Karen! Grace, bibili kayo siya.
Lala!
Grapes! Santa Karen!
Sa lemon. Ginanon ko.
Kaya pala maasim-asim.
Kaya ano gusto nyong
Gusto daw
concept na gawin?
Marami nagko-comments, nakita ko nung kinover natin yung smoothie.
Smoothie?
Yeah. Bagay daw sa atin yung gano'n. Diyan naman.
Paano kung about pagkain yung next natin yung song? Anong pagkain?
Lemon.
Sa akin na lang.
Pakanta ka kung paano cookies and cream. Dali ba, bali mo ito yung maging idea ng next natin coverage.
Cream.
Cookies and cream ba na?
Bakit cookies and cream? Ano pangalan ng orange? Hindi ko alam.
Uy, lalagi, boy.
Never have I ever naghiraman ng brief.
Ako hindi pa ako nagpahiram or nanghiram ng beef ever.
Ilang beses
Wala pa, di ba? Wala pa tayo. Wala pa.
Wala pa.
Ay, malaki ko na lang ito ngayon!
Baka hindi binabalik eh.
Ikaw, nanghiram?
Oo, lagi. Parang ikaw,
Di ba, damit yung hiniram mo?
Balik na daw tayo, Bacolod.
Sino gusto sino pala yung naghiraman ng toothbrush? Wala pa.
Wala pa. Brush, pre, wala.
Wala.
Wala pa. Brief lang.
Wait lang, yung kailangan
ano, sige nga. balik na kayo ba? Bagal mag-refresh oh.
Babalik kami doon sa 2020.
Secret line.
Umamis na nga lang bumalik sa akin. Sa mga ano,
Sino sa inyo crush?
yung mga domestic flights namin.
Ayan.
Ano?
Ayan! Ayan!
Ano?
Hindi dito crush daw si ano.
Wala ah.
Wala ah.
Wala. Uy, wala. Ganun boy.
Marcos, pangalan ng orange is Charmaine.
Ha?
Ano yan?
Bakit Charmaine?
Talaga ba, Charmin?
Ate,
Teo, kasi yun yun eh. Anong kape yan natin?
Ang daming drinks dumadating.
Di pa namin naubos.
Kaya nga eh, kailangan daw ubusin daw kagad.
Yun yung challenge
Oo,
namin.
unrepeat.
Dalawa kay Winston.
what's Charmaine? Someone
Only drinks.
Ayan, sarap Marcos oh.
Oh!
Sa'yo yan.
Sa'yo dito.
Ay, what if mag-invite tayo ng anchor na mag-message para sa atin?
Sige, sige, invite tayo.
Paano ba yan?
You have to...
Ilang Guys, sino gusto mag-message para sa amin?
Ay, ito yung ano,
Patulong tayo.
May peanut butter.
Te,
Excuse me!
Patulog to.
Patulong pumili ng anchor na
Message.
may message sa amin.
Philip ka lang doon sa...
Ikaw na, bahala.
Para pili
They're
na.
gonna request
Go!
tapos accept ka lang doon.
Tapos babasahin mo daw ate.
Dapat ano lang dapat 15 seconds lang.
Basahin mo daw, te.
15 seconds lang, 15
Makikinig
seconds.
kami. Sige na.
Ayun na, si Jiro. Go Jiro, 15 seconds lang, mabilis lang.
Ayun ba, papatalihin.
Oo, tapos magme-message.
Grabe lasang dahon.
Oo, parang may...
Uy! Live restricted for some audiences. Wait lang guys ha, medyo nakakahilo ah.
Dito na kami men.
Yeah. Mamili lang ako ng isa ha.
Oo. Yung safe yung feeling mo safe.
Ah,
Yung anchor,
yeah.
i-high volume mo para mag...
Hindi ka ate.
Okay na.
Hi, I'm a
Sige po.
Ano yan?
Pero ano lang ka?
Gawa lang.
Guys, wait lang.
Hindi ba delegado yan? Parang
Iyon.
pag natanggal yun.
Tulong.
Ayan, Anchor Jane.
Anchor Jane.
Pinili ni Jiro yung profile picture siya.
Hoy, di ako pumili. Si ate yun. Sabi niya, ito na lang.
Isa lang tayo pumili.
Oo.
Kanya-kanya.
Punta kayo dito. Wait lang. I'll face the camera lang.
Oo, kanya-kanya.
Punta kayo dito. Wait lang. I'll face the camera lang. Mag-echo sana. Mag-echo. I'll face the camera lang.
Hindi pinapanood. Ayun, wala siya.
Hindi galing na. I-max na lang.
Hindi. Max already pero wala.
Wala. Yes niya tayo. Walang nakapag-message. Okay lang.
Accept ako na iba ah.
Okay na, wala na.
Ayan. Hello po. Hi.
Hello, Awin.
Hi. So, I wanna congratulate a very, very long journey ahead pa. So, thank you for being inspiration to us. Thank you for making us happy and feel loved and valued. Mahal na mahal namin kayong lahat.
What's your name again? And where are you from?
My name is Awin from the Cavite.
Thank you, Awin.
Thank you. Love you all, guys. Shout out kay Reister. I hope makakambak na siya para kumpleto na tayong lahat. Thank you. Can we take a picture? Like a screenshot?
Gam mo dapat, no? Gam.
Wait.
Baka mag-order mo for doing.
Ayan na.
Okay. Okay. 3. Thank you, guys. Thank you. I love you so much.
Thank you po, bye-bye.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Sayawin niyo yung take mic.
Okay, big chicken.
Paano daw? Wait, paano daw?
Okay,
Paano?
Jiro
Wala,
na.
hindi ko alam. Okay, sasayaw kami ng Take My Hand, guys, pero nakaupo lang.
Yeah.
Thank you everyone.
Thank you everyone.
Thank you so much.
Thank you!
Thank you so much.
Tahimik na tahimik na Kuya Winston.
Ay, sorry guys. Dapat yung isa sa face, yung isa sa torso, and yung isa sa legs. Wow. Try natin yan. Take my hand.
Kim, Kuya Kyler, Marius.
Pero mahirap nun, nakaupo tayo.
Hindi, ko yung TikTok.
Katayo. Ay, oo nga, no?
Tara, gawin natin. Pero hindi ako yung gagawa kayo.
Ay!
Hindi, ayun.
Kaya niya yan. Tatlo lang.
Inaantok daw siya, oy. Nagublog na natin sa pool.
Oo.
Wala.
Maliligo na
Gusto daw inaantok. Kaya kailangan.
O tara, puli na tayo, live tayo.
O, sige.
Tara, tara.
Tara na.
Okay yun.
O tara na. O, live tayo.
Bago magbabay, doon tayo magbabay.
Oo.
Tingnan natin si Winston.
Hindi. Taga-hawak lang. Tara.
Tara,
tayo
o.
sa pool.
Tara, punta tayo sa
Tara,
pool.
tara.
Tara.
Okay, pause muna natin yung live.
Boss mo.
Tapos mag-live tayo nung...
Pwede i-pause yung
Yeah, you can
Oo,
pause
yeah.
it.
So mag-iintay yung anchor sa atin.
Hindi, i-stop ko na lang.
1 hour pause na.
1 hour.
Guys, wait lang, mag-post the live lang.
Maglulunuran kami.
Pause tapos tulog.
Hindi, end.
Hindi, end ba? Pause lang? Alam ko mayroong pause eh.
Pero okay lang mag-end muna.
End live na lang.
Live, man.
Okay, sige.
Okay. Okay, sige, go.
Po!
Back! Eh, nagulat kayo, wala kami sa swimming pool. No?
It's a prank!
It's a prank!
Ginawa lang namin yung gusto na.
Winston na! Winston na!
Ala ka! Ala ka, okay.
Alam ko.
Unboxing.
Long sing. Wow!
What happened?
God!
Is it gold?
It's an earring.
Oh my God!
Oh my God!
Woo!
Nalagay ko yung 7. Bro, it's adjustable siya.
Ay, wait!
Pinch mo lang, pinch.
Uy!
Wow!
Wow, we have a ring.
What does it say?
Oh my God!
Horizon.
Horizon 7.
H.
Hindi, wala ah.
Gitna.
Ala, kabisado nila yung ano, yung size ng figure namin. Hindi naman eh. Hindi kasya sa akin.
Hindi nasisikipan.
May pangalan na yung loob.
Wait, hindi ko siya ma-pinch kasi natatawa ako.
We're supposed to
Ikaw nga. Try mo.
Hindi kasya sa akin.
Wala.
Pwede?
open it.
Oo nga eh, nakalagay oh.
Oo nga, may pangalan siya sa loob.
Saan? Ayun. Pangalan.
Ayun, ano kasi
dito.
pang girly yung hands ko eh.
Sa akin din. Hindi na nakalagay.
Pangalan. Sa akin, pangalan.
Ayun, meron yun.
Kasi.
Bakit?
Pang...
Sanglot.
Sa akin,
Wala na! Sasangla daw!
Tinatanong niya ako dito. sa akin, pero feeling ko pag kumain ako na...
Pre, bidding na kagad. Bidding start at 7,000.
Ganda.
Joke lang.
Ganda nga!
Hindi, dito. Ganda. Mas maganda ganda.
Ang ganda.
Thank you!
Thank you everyone! Search again sa collection mo, di ba meron kang promo cards na?
I love this.
Wala, mamaya pag-program.
Pwede naman kami.
Walang putik.
Pero ang galing, no? Pwede siya ma-adjust.
Adjustable nga.
Galing.
Kaso matigas lang, matigas to yun. Bago kasi. Pag bago matigas pa.
Tingin.
Pag lumuma yan, luwag na.
Uy! Ano ba yan? Ano ba yan? Tinitignan niyo ba?
Kanta rin po lang 16, kinilig sa ano, sa SM.
Yo! We're back! We're back! We're back! Mga baban. We're out here celebrating our 3rd anniversary. Pero nauna na sila.
Takot kasi kami sa tubig. Yun yung...
Pusa kami eh. Hi, Winston. Hi. Hi, Winston promotes student STS. Anyong...
Laki nung kita niya. Pero dito, wala, no? Pakita namin.
Iyong kamay at sabay tayong maglalakbay. Tamay-tamay Lalakbay. Dito lang ako kasama.
Kanina lang. Nagabi. Ganda ng shoes niyo. Ganda.
Favorite performance nyo this year?
Round.
Yeah, Round Festival for sure.
Round Fest.
Round Festival, the one we prepared for a long time, like almost 2 months.
Yeah.
You can watch the performances in YouTube.
Yeah, it's on YouTube.
So may sumunod and yeah. Best moment together. Well, we're always best when we're 7. It's really sad that Racer can't be here with us, but of course he's prioritizing his health, and that's always top priority.
Yep.
Health. Do your math. What? Do your math debate.
Nag-school pa po kayo? Yung iba, nag-school pa.
Yeah.
I miss my 7.
Yeah, we'll be 7 as well.
Parang ano eh.
Wow. Obsession na siya dun. Pangako dance challenge. Ano yung pangako dance challenge?
Pangako. Ano ba yan? Hindi ba din alam yan? Wow!
Wow, bouquet! Thank you for the bouquet.
Thank you for the flowers. Thank you for the flowers.
Saya nila sa likod.
Ikaw, ang favorite.
Lucky. Lucky.
Yun yung pinaka... Ay guys, meron ako ditong Korean ng Lucky. Yan.
Yung ganun.
Ano mo, nawawala na naman yung mga pinagsisend ko dito. Kasi...
Ayan.
Lucky version. First version of Lucky. Ay, Brent.
Lucky.
Hot.
Ano yun?
Uy, ang sarap nung hanghang. Trinay ko kahapon, kinain ko sa tilapia. Yung
Ben?
kanyang chili. Oh.
Hindi masyado manghang.
Kaya, i-share nyo sa kanya yung thoughts nyo
Para ma-adjust.
baka dapat merong mild version. Pero yung intense yung sa'yo. Intense yung ulong basa.
As in, pakita talaga kasi cut yun dito eh. Yan. Hello everybody. Ganda na ng likod mo dito. Sa likod ka lang. Kaya kita yung to. Likod ka lang.
OG Anchor here. Hello.
Pumogi si Jiro, men. Ito na yung pogi. Pogi! Sige na. Brazilian.
Always on the night.
Magsalamat tayo para sa mga hindi naka-attend ng Horror League. Salamat karaoke. May mic ako. Sige.
Nakikita ko. Pag nakikita ko.
Nakikita ko. Makikita ko.
Ba't di ka naligo? Akala ko ikaw ang unang sasabak.
Yan na.
Maluwig ba? Maya-maya
Show
na
the
ng prank.
JBL mic.
Low.
This is JBL, guys.
Nakikita ko yun. Hindi ko alam bakit tumulahan. Sobrang salamat dahil tayo to lahat sa sayang panahon. Kaya hanggang sa huling nakita sa loob ng sasabihin ang nais na iparating. Turong kami doon. Alam mo ba? Salamat dahil tayo to lahat sa sayang panahon.
kita, mahal kita.
Hindi, kumakain.
Pag nagsasabay-sabay sila.
Mamaya pa na, alis na.
So, kamusabi lang.
Tara mag...
Pre. Ito. Lundo. London experience.
Maganda yun. Lundo.
Anong kanta yun?
Lundo.
Anong kanta yan, Lundo?
Magaling ka dyan.
Lindol.
San? Darating. Mga salita. Ano nga yung chorus nun?
Hindi ko din alam.
Human. Try niyo po yung song na Human Nature. Di ba nabibili sa Human Nature? Meron ng brain
Nature Spring ata eh.
Main moisturizer, Human Nature.
Ano yan?
Pa-swimming tol. Sige.
Punta ka dito.
Punta ka dito. Or noon ka sa TikTok. Pag-swim.
Swim. Ala, pre. Death or paradise, please.
Boogs o
-1.
Lala dun pre. Isang araw dun rin kami.
More like sa heater.
Death or paradise minus, please.
Lundog. Ay, na. Pero walang ano yan eh, -1, di ba?
Oh, -1 yan. -1 yan.
Hindi.
Oh, okay pre, may...
Hindi ko mapakasado lyrics, man. Lyrics.
We're taking life a dozen tries, don't know, so stop, alright. Sun is shining in the dark, moon rises.
Chorus ka, chorus.
Oh, my world's going upside down.
Eh,
Want to choose between the up or die.
mahirap yung kahit solo yun ng ano eh. Choreo.
We're not between the up or die, but I don't want to stay.
I'll be here till the die.
Something to survive.
I'll be here till the die.
So we're not between the up or die, but I don't want to stay.
We're taking life a dozen tries.
Hindi ko na mapakasado lyrics.
Sun is shining on the dark, moon rises.
Kim, chorus.
Hindi ko kaya yan eh.
Sino mo? Kayo yung dalawa lang kumakanta yun, di ba?
Oo, tayo. Tayo na,
Hindi ko kaya yan. Professional lang gumagawa nun eh.
I'll be here till the die.
Twilight has come.
No matter how many nightmares I have, won't give up no way. Am I safer?
Saan si Vinci? Nandito lang sa Philippines.
Siya yung nagbabasa ng mga comment.
Hindi. Hinahanap ko pa rin yung recording ng mama, sayang. Sige, magla-live na lang ako bukas, tapos papakinig ko sa ako.
Maglalasingan na lang tayo na ano dito na video ng lasingan yun. Ano kanta na?
Alam mo yung
Yung beer na to, or
ang pag-ibig mo.
yun yung kinanta sa Showtime, di ba? Na recently. Yun na yun. Ta super dramatic nung pagkakanta niya. Ganda.
Temperatures dropping as we
Ay, sorry.
speak. Hands are freezing when I...
Pre, himala.
Bakit?
Himala. Kanta mo rin.
Hindi ko alam yun.
Totoo.
Basta,
Ah!
lasing. Tara.
Ay, medyo.
Duet tayo.
Sige.
Ano? Kanta yan, Be.
Ito, play ni
Pero
Vinci.
hanap ako ng piano version. Ano ba title ng Dear?
Oo. Hindi nga to.
Sige, yun na yung goodbye song muna. Goodbye song. Ayan,
Ayan.
Itchy Worms.
Search mo lyrics.
Nais kong magpakalasing.
Okay, ito na.
Parang may ano lang.
Ito na.
Wala ka na.
Yung piano version to, piano. Para dapat madrama.
Wala akong ay.
Lahat na emotion.
Ito nga. Oh, ito may lyrics oh.
Ayun.
Yan, papat.
Dahil wala ka na.
Parang
Wag ka, nagpa-perform siya.
Wala ako sa tournament. Ay, wala ako sa...
kanta ka pre. Tapos magkikanta ko ng parang NNK pre. Pwede.
Hindi ko...
Ano nga, di ko din tatanda eh. Dahil wala ka na,
Nakatingin sa salamin.
Salamin.
Iisa.
Basta ikaw tulat, ako sa chorus. Ay, sabay na tayo siguro.
Ako'y katulad
ng damdamin ko kahit
busan mo ng bir at ayaw ang mamatay.
Ayan na pre. Ay, wala pa. Kala ko ibus na.
Hindi ba?
Mas lasing to. Nasa pool eh.
So, ito na, malapit na. Ito na ata after ito. Iniwan mo ako.
Kaya
Ayun na. Ayun na pang one-liner si Marcus. Ang beer na to.
ang pag-ibig mo.
Yay!
Tara, inom.
Your score is
79.1%. Yung sa likod kasi sila kumanta. Magbalik.
Ayun, pwede magbalik na yun.
magbalik.
Ano yan eh, kabisado naman lahat pero magbalik is nung feeling famous pa ako sa school.
Ito?
Oh.
Sige.
Nung feeling famous pa ako sa school. Dala lang gitara.
Pati ano pre, pati yung magazine, alam mo? Sa isang magazine. Zombie.
Ano, ikaw una. Sige. Ano po?
Sige po. Hinaan daw. Sige po.
Okay pa.
Sorry po.
30 minutes pa naman.
Thank you po. Sorry po. Thank you kuya. Jiro magbalik ngayon.
Ayan.
Hinaan ko yung mic.
Wish
107. Diba? Yan.
Tama.
Tumitigil sa pag-ibig ko. Pag-ibig di magtatapos. Tulad ng ilog na hindi tumitigil sa pag-agos. Pag-ibig di magtatapos.
End na guys.
And ha?
Hindi yung kanta.
Oh, next.
Buko. End. Maganda din.
Honey, my love is so sweet. Kahit sino ka ba, basta't mahal ka pa.
Ano na lang?
Kahit na lang.
Ano pa?
You're my Mona Lisa. You're my greatest love. And my only prayer is that you realize
Alam niyo yung kanta na yan?
you are my sunshine. You are my sunshine. My only sunshine. You make me happy.
Ano pa ba?
Kantahin mo yun.
Maganda mag-karaoke pala naman.
This was song from the madness of dream. And all will be alright in time. Oh, you never really loved someone until you learn to believe.
Day 6. Alam mo yung Day 6 na kanta na?
It was so nabaraming nilagay.
Mataas yun na. Ano pang kanta na yun?
Ano mo?
Hindi ko na kaya ang umarap pa ng iba. Kahit ikaw lang ang tanging sinasapa. Zombie, parin nakaramdaman ako. Wow.
Ano? OPM. Tatang isip ko sa'yo.
Awit na utang ganto. Huling Elvin.
Lingkod din ba no? Sigawan yun, men. Boy, alam mo, maganda. She's gone, boy.
Tayo yun.
Ano yun? Sakit yun. Hindi na tayo makaboses bukas.
Hawak kamay.
Ako si Piccolo, ang sasali sa iyo.
Pre, kata mo yung demonyo ko.
Oh, isang demonyo.
Ano yung kanta niya? Sabi niya kay Arthur Neri.
Para lumo.
Kanino ba talaga yun?
Paano naman by Arthur na best friend naman yun? May best friend naman yun kaya consider yun.
Siya yung co-writer. Siya yung co-writer mo.
Best friend namin yun.
Yung mga ganda din sa mga kanta nito.
Oo, ano.
Anxious din. Ocean Deep Annie. Ocean Deep Annie.
Parang yung nakaraan yung pinapatugtog mo, Heal the World eh. Heal the World. Ano chip?
We are the world.
Heal the World. Heal the World.
Yung kay Michael Jackson.
Hindi, we are the world. Ay, we are the world. We are the children. Pero guys, yung lumang version yung pinaplay niya. Yun yung mga sound trip ngayon ni Kim. We are the world.
Marami pa lang mga artist na ano doon.
Oo, marami. Wait, so hindi ko pa alam yung bagong We Are the World kasi luma na yung pinakinggan mo. Meron na mas bagong We Are the World.
Ano yung paano ka tayo yung bago nun?
Pre-buko.
Yun pa rin, pero iba lang. Oh, ito yung napakinggan mo eh, di ba? Yung for Africa. Ito for Haiti. Now you know. 16, ito 16 years ago. Oh, makikita mo lang.
Amazing group of artists and musicians of that.
Ay, mahaba pala.
the world. We are the children.
Yan ba yung naglinggo?
Oo. Tsunami. Ano yung nangyari sa Haiti? Tsunami ba o lindol? Sa Haiti.
Travel with peace of mind with our service guarantee.
Hindi alam niya natin
Your next
Tsunami.
Rage is temporary, peace is eternal.
Ganda. Ganda.
There comes a time
Oh, Justin Bieber.
si Justin Bieber.
when we hit a certain call. When the world must come together as
Kung si Kat
one.
Bowles.
Tanang Boston Jira.
There are people trying when it's time to look around to life. The greatest gift of all.
Just Boban.
Malayang buko. Hindi Marcos, pero lagi na kasi.
Oh,
Ayan.
Yan Michael Jackson.
Kapatid ni Michael Jackson. Si Janet Jackson.
It's true, we'll make a
Barbara Streisand. Si Hannah Montana.
So the cries for help will not be in vain.
Parang ano yun?
Enrique Iglesias.
We can't let them suffer.
Si Celine Dion.
We can't
Pero ang gaganda ng mga kanta unang panahon.
They need a helping hand.
Oy! Oy! Boom!
Ano yun? Ganun.
We save the world now.
Ganun yung dancing ata niya sa pagkanta.
Iba yung ganun.
Language niya yun.
Hindi, ganun talaga yun. Style.
When you're down and out, there seems no hope.
Okay.
Okay na.
Eh, si Charis. Ay, si Charis.
Is yung ano? Anong gandang kanta yun?
Sobrang bagay sa'yo yung mga mabababa talaga.
Alam mo
Ganun ang
naman
kinanta
yung
mo
mga,
sa ano?
ano sa'yo, yung
Pan-
mga
Pangliligaw na kumakanta.
Shawn
Parang
Mendes,
naliligaw.
Shawn Mendes din dapat sa'yo. No? Yung
Stitches.
You watch me bleed until I can't breathe. Shaking
Bagay na bagay sa'yo yung kinanta mo nung nung anniversary. Sobrang ganda. Sobrang pogi ng boses. Ito kasi si Jungkook kay. Yes, teka lang.
ito si ano, Sam Smith. Sam Smith. Di ba Sam Smith?
Hindi, pre.
Ano?
Never Iba yun. Iba, hindi ba singer yun, pre? Hindi siya kumanta. Back.
That should be me. Sinayaw yun. Ay! Iba pala.
That should be made by Hip
Iba
Hop.
pala. Justin Bieber.
Parang kanina ba yung Panaginip by Angelica? Alam mo yung kantang yun?
Panaginip ko lang.
Nag-vlog na ngayon si Sam Smith. Nakita niya.
And every time you hurt me, the less that I cry.
Pam Nicole.
Every time
Pam Nicole. Curfew na daw.
tears dry.
Hindi pa guys, meron pang
20. Pero bawal na maingay.
yeah.
Kasi tulog na yung mga neighbors namin dito. Kasi sorry, kakalipat na namin talaga dito.
As in, yun lang. Bago lang yung bahay namin eh. Pina-blessing ko na tong Airbnb namin.
Pero mag-check baka para makikita.
Okay lang.
May fit pa ako.
Matay. Naka-ano ba? Nakayapak?
Nakayapak lang ako.
Talon habang may. Kanta ba yun?
Ayaw niya sa amin ang lubos. Mas gusto na maigpit na kumunit ng damit sa pagdiin.
Iba din yung... Yun yung gusto ko talaga.
Iba rin yung titig mo sa...
Andito na ako!
Andito na ako. Andito na yung halima.
Shape of my heart. Ano yun? Shape of my heart.
Shape of You by Ed Sheeran.
May shape of my
Kasi
heart
alam niyo yung The 1975? Alam niyo yung
Yeah.
kanta ng 1975?
Maganda yun eh.
Which one? About You?
Shape of my heart.
I like About You. I like...
Chocolate.
Yeah, I like
Tapos
Chocolate.
Shape of my heart.
Yung
It's
girls.
eternity.
Girls! Breaking... Girls! Breaking...
It's rainy days. It's a rainy day
Just-
daw, guys.
It's rainy day!
Rainy day. Bigawa.
Taytayimin yun eh.
I need some
It's Rainy Day by David Sundin.
Bye, guys!
John.
We will all swim na.
I can make you cry. I can make you scream.
Swimming.
I can
Swimming time.
cry.
Swimming sa bed na kami.
Si swim... Kami na ang bless. Ng pool. Ano ang fave? Alright. Present song.
Horizon song?
Ano talaga? Lucky! Ayan si Marcus, guys. Marcus Kabais is you. Hey. Kailan mo natin Valorant?
August
Aray ko!
17.
Ang layo.
Ngayon pa. Start tayo mag-practice. August. Nakita yung ano? Ay, akala ko pa ano. Nakasulat. Akala ko brand to.
Horizon Carlos yan.
Pangalan mo pala. Slade.
Huwag pumatakin.
Go na, may isa pa. Hello.
Ano yung babasa?
안녕하세요. 오랜만에요. 여러분. Ano?
Tapos ka na? Pero babalik ka ulit mamaya.
Mamaya pa.
Ano
Pero
ba
yung pool
magbandaw?
until later na.
Pandaw na, nag-ano na ako. Kami ni
Yung ingay lang
Bilhin ka
yung
nun?
dapat 10. Kasi nga may... Di ba bawal na ngayon talaga magkaraoke masyado?
Sa loob. Sa loob.
Dalawa no? Pero sabi ng pahina, kayo yung pahina. Tapos sabi naman hanggang 10. Yung naglilinis sila.
Eh, favorite post ni Marcus na yan, guys. Eh,
Favorite post ni Kim paano?
ano ba?
Hello.
Ganun.
I mean, di niya naman post, pero ito yung signature niya, yung
Mm.
ganun.
Sige kay Marcos.
Ring Aura Farm. Kaya ba kayo nakaganon kanina?
Hindi, piniflex na kasi yung Chrome Hearts niya.
Si Kyle.
Getting roasted now. Yeah.
Di naman, yung ano lang, signature mo nga yun eh.
Baliw ka
Iconic.
talaga.
Si Jiro, wala si Jiro.
Ano ba ang signature pose?
Hindi,
yung signature pose ni Jiro, yung ano, yung naka-look away siya.
Hindi, ganito yung dati niya signature post.
Yung nakaganyan.
Tapos ngayon yung
Pero nawala na yun.
Yung cellphone na sa taas na yun yung signature post ni Jiren.
Ray,
Selfie.
ugat ko yung signature pose ko sa mukha.
Yung sa face meron, pero yung pose wala talaga. Expression. Ako, lagi akong left side.
Cute talaga ng pusa niya. Oh.
Ang bait niya nga, hindi siya pumapasok ng bahay natin.
Diba? Nakabukas pa ba ito?
Yeah.
Or sa taas na lang.
Kambal daw tayo.
Anong sinin?
Ano man di magkalayo, no? Sa camera lang. Nako, parang boses na din. No?
Kuya, pero pwede mag-speaker ng onte. Basta hindi po rinig sa labas. Okay. Dude, may free character sa ano, sa ZZZ.
Eh? OP?
Pwede mo nang laruin si Wise. Yung character.
Yung character mismo.
Si Pyrois yung pangalan. Tapos nag-aura farm ka rin.
Malakas siya.
Malakas naman.
Kuya Marco.
Free siya. Uy. Tapos ang dami niyang, apat yung ult niya.
Pogi. Siya na yun? Yan si Wise?
Oo.
Pogi.
Ganda ng character design.
Nag-aura po.
May up, down, and sides na ult.
Assassin siya?
Ano siya, para siyang nasa loob talaga ni Wise.
Paano nangyari yung story? Kaso...
Ngayon ko pala nilalaro, para siyang
6-7.
past niya na yon, tapos na-awaken
nga, kasi parang,
Meron
di ba
siyang-
parang nagko-corrupt siya?
Oo, yun.
Yung pala yun.
Nagigising. Na-awaken yung self.
Galing ano.
Tapos ang ganda ng character. Nakuha ko na. Lalaroin mo lang yung story, tapos makukuha mo siya libre.
So siya yung pinaka-OP dyan?
Hindi pa naman. Ang pinaka-OP ngayon si... Yun pa rin, yung dati pa rin.
Pero ang astig niya, no? Angas niya.
Radiant sign. How do you do the radiant sign?
Radiant.
Tadang. Looks like a heart of spades. Yo.
Yeah.
What is a heart of spades? What's your pet peeve? My pet peeve is when people walk like, for example, there's like a way, right?
Yeah.
And then people walk like tabi-tabi like that. But there's, no spatial awareness, that's my pet peeve.
Ooh.
You?
Oh.
You? You got?
Yung scratching noise ng plate.
Nangihilo ka.
Yeah. Like metal scratching. Horrible.
Yeah, that is intense. The screech. Yeah, intense screech. Wait, may nagtatanong saan galing yung hoodie ko. My hoodie is from Kashina. Kashina. K-A-S-I-N-A. I bought it sa Apgujeong.
Yan ko lang narinig.
Yung backstory niya, tumakas ako para bumili ng hoodie sa Apgujeong. Kasi malapit lang tayo sa Apgujeong, diba? And then, pabalik, nakita ko si Wilson.
Ay, really?
Yeah. I think he was from Apgujeong din. I was like, ay, Wilson.
Scuba.
Part ng bahay yun, Kasina. Ha 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 ha. K, not C. Kasina.
Evening.
Kusina, yun na. Yes. So yeah, that's it. Thank you guys.
Hindi ba malamok? Hindi naman.
Hindi naman. May dala namang off-lotion para sa inyo guys.
Our leader is
Oh my gosh, so
ready.
ibig sabihin din pala 3 years na yung album natin ngayon, no?
Yeah.
Our first album.
Grabe.
Yeah.
First and latest.
First and latest, yeah. I'm here.
Ayun.
How long is our album? Because you know what? Ngayon ang sad kasi most albums right now are like 30 minutes long. Pero 21 songs tayo, di ba?
Yeah. That was actually a really big, like, that's a lot of songs.
That's a lot of songs. That's like, whenever they ask us, how many songs for an album? 21. Kasi nagawa ng solo. But without the
Which
solo,
is still a lot.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
14 is a
10.
lot.
Oh, 12? Wow. Why is it 12? 12. Do they have bonus tracks? Oh, it's 38 minutes in Spotify. Pero I guess the physical is longer.
Yeah.
Physical is longer. What's your favorite album now? Yung dami nag-release ng album.
Octane ni Don Toliver.
The one with yung na black? Yung ba yun? Kung nasan yung body?
Oo, kung nasa mga.
Tong. Tong. Harley XCX released her new album today.
Oh, wow.
Next hair color you want?
Black.
Yeah,
Black
this-
forever.
Black forever.
Go pink.
Hoping na...
I think pink is nice for like 1 week. And then
Yeah.
after the week your hair
Actually-
is gonna start drying up and then
Yeah.
it's gonna be
Exhibit.
hard to maintain. Yeah. Kung ma-maintain, then that's gonna be really good.
Test how dry.
Uh-oh. Yeah. I get a bit lazy. So having colored hair is not for
You hated being blonde.
Yeah.
When you were blonde in Korea, you hated that
it
so
was
much.
horrible. Yeah.
He dreaded the blonde era. I love my blonde era.
I actually was the one who pushed to the company.
To go
I told them to go back to black, and then they were like, no, brown only, brown, not fully black.
Brown.
And so I went brown, but then nung umuwi na tayo dito sa Pinas,
That's when you.
that's when I went fully black again.
Did the company turn you black, or did
No.
you? You turned
it
yourself
was in
black.
when we went to BGC.
Alam ko yung pinagtatawanan niyo isang araw sa Juno. Alam ko yun, naririnig ko yun. Alam ko yun.
Let me show it to you.
I know that.
Worth it ba magpagupit sa Juno eh? Bro, no shade.
No shade to Juno hair. We love Juno hair.
Yeah.
It's just that specific haircut did not fit him.
Ako gusto ko magpa-down perm. Down perm.
Di mo naman ito. Or is it what now? Or is it?
All hype.
Or is it? Oh my god. I think the down perm didn't fit him.
He wasn't the problem. He was not the problem. It was the hair. It was the hair color.
It's just the down perm. If he didn't do the down perm, it would have fit. See, like the sides look fine, and then when he does
when
the
he goes
full
front.
frontal, and then you see it's too. That's what
It's too flat.
That's what Marcus hates.
Yeah,
He doesn't
I
like
don't
it when
like-
his sides
yeah,
are like
that's
that. That's what he hates. He
It looks
likes it
so
fluffy.
bad.
Parang sa akin babagay yan, no?
Sa'yo pwede. Depende
Nag-down
siya sa
perm na
tao
tayo
eh.
Hindi pa sa akin.
Sa akin, di bagay.
Di ba ako?
I look like a Roblox character when
Yeah.
I have a down perm.
Oh, we were styled by Juno Hair like multiple times, right? I think I tried this hairstyle.
Yeah. It wasn't horrible on you. It
Fine.
really just depends on like the head shape of the
Yeah.
person.
But I was in. Oh. Guys!
Happy
May cake pala. May cake pang pahabol. Ay, hindi pala kita. Happy birthday, Horizon. Happy birthday, Horizon. Happy birthday, Horizon. Happy birthday to
Wait, is this mine? Or Horizons?
Oh yeah, it can be yours.
It can be mine, right?
Yes. That's yours.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Wala nang mitse.
I used a wrong finger. It's cream. Thank you guys.
Thank you po.
Thank you po.
Speak in Spanish. Hola, ¿cómo estás? ¿Cómo te llamas?
Hola.
Hola, soy
¿Cómo tú te llamas? Yo no sé.
Anime
Forget
recommendation.
about your boyfriend, even if I go.
Re-Zero.
Ako,
Solo
Jujutsu Kaisen.
Jujutsu. Have you watched the latest season?
Yes.
Oh, I haven't.
Ako, tapos ko na yun.
Yung manga? Or yung
Yung
seasons?
season. From
Hindi ko-
0, 1,
Nasa
2.
episode 2 pa lang ako ng season 2 ng Jujutsu. Is season 2 good?
Yeah.
Or like 1 is better?
One is better.
See, that's why I can't... I don't know.
But it's
Panoorin mo rin
depende pa
season 2. Ang ganda ng laban nila ano dun eh. Itadori tsaka ni... Sino yung...
Hindi ko na kilala kung sino yung...
Sino yung may ano dito? Nakalimutan ko na.
Mahito?
May
Si
blush.
Mahito.
Ay,
oo. May blush.
Maganda yung kay
Season 6, oh my
Choso
God.
eh.
Si Choso. Angas na.
Oh, speaking of that, did you watch The Menu?
Yeah, I did.
The Menu? Where they made the cheeseburger.
Yeah.
That's actually a nice movie. Yeah, it's really nice. It's really well made.
Really unique.
Because that dude is Voldemort.
Yeah.
That dude is Voldemort. That's why it's really scary.
Human meat ba yan?
Hindi naman din. I mean, pinapatay niya lang yung mga critics niya. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Serial killer siya?
Hindi. Chef talaga siya. Like, he's a renowned chef. Kilala siyang chef. Tapos, kasi maraming nag-criticize yung ginagawa niya.
Ina-murder,
Oh, in-invite niya sa isang isla and then,
Inisa-isa niya?
yeah. It was
Scary.
favorite memory niyo as a group. Madami! When we eat together sa Korea, I
Yeah.
guess. That's a nice...
Wala bang way para mapakita ka din?
Layo na. Uy, naantok pa, mahaba pa yung gabi. Magsasalubong tayo.
There you go.
Wink, wink.
May pasok pa daw sila bukas.
Ay, ano ba yun? No, it's Saturday tomorrow, unless, I guess,
Baka may pasok
university.
sila.
I watched The Odyssey 5 stars on Letterboxd easily.
So is it like the best Nolan film you've ever watched?
No, I think Interstellar and Memento is my favorite.
Interstellar. You know what? I don't remember watching Interstellar. Wait, is Interstellar the movie na yung na-stuck siya sa space? Hindi. Iba ba
I
yun?
mean, technically, yeah, na-stuck siya in space. But I feel like most of space
Yeah,
movies
maganda yun.
stuck in space.
Yung may alien.
May isip akong iba ata na movie na na-stuck sa space tapos parang kailangan niya.
I like
Hindi yun.
Interstellar.
Bago yun eh. Parang luma na din. Parang time ng Interstellar. I think it was it.
Martian.
But when, kasi akala ko Interstellar and then I saw clips of Interstellar, I was like, I don't think I've seen
Grabe
this.
nakakayak din.
The Martian. Oh, maybe it was The Martian.
Nakakayak yun.
The Martian. Oh yeah, it's The Martian.
That's Matt Damon too.
Yeah, but it's not Christopher Nolan, right?
It's not.
It's not. It's
Bro, you should watch Memento.
Memento. That's Nolan.
Memento
Mori.
Oh.
Hindi, Memento lang. Memento lang. It's so crazy.
It's Drew. It's Ridley Scott. Wait, Ridley Scott. Isn't that Ridley Scott? Alien. Oh, he made Alien.
The alien.
Wee Croissant. Huh? Jujutsu Kaisen.
No, this is my letterbox.
Character.
My top 4 is Begonia, Shutter Island, American Psycho,
and what's that?
Dial M for Murder.
I don't know
It's
that.
a 1954 film.
Sheesh! I haven't watched that.
So good though.
Okay. Nagsiswimming din si G. Ngayon nagsiswimming si ano. Nag-heart to heart talk sila. Gusto niyo makita.
What's happening? They're having a pep talk.
Wow.
Yeah, that's what we do in our anniversary.
Guys, minsan lang to.
You're gonna watch Doomsday?
Yes.
What's Doomsday?
Avengers Doomsday.
Ah!
See it. December. Tagal pa. December. Pero yung Spider-Man, this week, next week.
Next week. Yan, labas na nga yung mga kiddie meals eh. Ay, kiddie meals.
Yeah.
McDonald's, happy meal.
Happy Meal.
Brand new day.
Brand new day.
Panoorin ko yan.
Parang,
Napanood ko lahat ng Spider-Man eh. Subaybayan ko kaya solid ko.
wow, meron daw college graduate na. Panood remaker. Sheesh.
Congrats.
Congrats on graduating. Who's your favorite Spider-Man? Tom or Andrew?
Andrew Garfield.
Or Toby?
Andrew ako.
Andrew Garfield, yeah.
Really? Oh, sheesh.
My favorite. And
Well, hindi ko masyado napanood si Andrew.
the best Spider-Man. Then Tom Holland is good too.
Top, magusto. Yeah. Yeah, magusto yo.
Thoughts sa Obsession.
Nice movie. I also like Obsession. Obsession was nice.
Yeah.
I think Obsession was better than The Backrooms.
I haven't watched
But they were
Backrooms.
both nice releases.
I haven't watched Backrooms.
I
I'm
watched
planning.
Backrooms.
Sawadi ka.
Tapos ko na yung Backrooms. Grabe, hindi ko magets yung
Yung
story.
Backrooms, nakalito nga yun.
Yung sa huli, parang sa huli yung kumabaya na yung nagano na lang.
No.
No.
I would rather.
The game is... Oh, have you played Backrooms?
No,
Ay, meron na. Ganong, yung...
But it's a game talaga, di ba?
Is it
Andun talaga,
Backrooms talaga?
same talaga. Andun din si yung captain, yung
Ay, we?
andun din. Siya yung nangahabol ka. Pero dun, ang bilis tumakbo.
We?
Di ba yung sa
Ay, parang
movie,
nakita ko
Iga-Iga?
sa TikTok.
Oo, Iga-Iga
Tapos
siya.
gumaganon
Siya, ang bilis. Nahabol ka talaga.
You have Letterboxd?
No. I should nga. I keep forgetting.
Letterboxd.
Because I keep watching movies and then I forget that I
psychological
watched.
But like Letterboxd, when like for the
Backrooms,
first
more
week,
psychological
it's like
stuff.
parang
You forget?
you forget to log like movies. Pero the more you do it, it's gonna become like muscle memory. Like after you watch a movie, you're gonna open
you're gonna
Letterboxd. You're gonna look at the comments.
I should. I just feel bad that I've forgotten what I've watched already.
Ah yeah.
Because I've watched a lot of films. I think since 20... I've been watching so much films since 20... Before pandemic. 2019 maybe?
These are all the films that I logged.
How many na yan? Does it show the total?
135.
I think that's mine too or more. But I don't recall. Sometimes I forget that I've watched films. I think
Did you
I
watch the drama?
The drama? Yeah, wait.
Kay Zendaya tsaka Robert Pattinson.
No.
Oh, you should-
Haven't.
you should watch it. You should watch it.
The last Robert Pattinson movie I watched was Mickey 17. Yung marami siya.
Ah.
Yeah.
Well, Robert Pattinson is in the Odyssey.
Yeah. He's so funny.
Favorite movie genre? Psychological thrillers.
Dark comedy.
Oh, the art comedy is good too.
I love dark comedy.
Ikaw?
Horror.
Horror?
Favorite niya.
Horror and same lang yun, thriller and
Yeah, I mean
action
that's
ba?
different.
action. Yeah, action too. I like.
The drama is kind of dark comedy, I think. May pagkabata.
Oh, is it?
Like the movie, the drama.
The drama.
Gusto ko rin movie yung maganda yung plot.
Yeah. Kahit ako nga, kahit konti lang yung budget ng movie, pero
Yung
maganda
plot,
yung plot, may-enjoy ko talaga.
Ma-enjoy ko rin.
Oh, minsan sa cast ako.
Ah,
Sometimes I check the cast and if I've seen someone, their film before, I'm like, I'm gonna watch more films of theirs.
yeah.
And then sometimes, sa K-drama naman, when was the last time you watched a K-drama?
Oh, it's ages ago, bro.
I just watched...
Maybe last year or 2 years ago.
Agent Kim, you should try to watch.
Oh yeah,
Agent
it's on Netflix right now. It's like top.
Agent Kim.
I just finished Teach Me a Lesson. It's really nice. It's really good.
Yes. Dahil sa gami ownin.
Ownin it.
Owning it.
Ownin it.
Ownin it.
gusto niyo nalilito kayo, watch Tenet.
Oh yeah.
Tenet, yeah. If you want,
Christopher Nolan, you know?
if you want to watch a movie that you wouldn't understand, it's Tenet by Christopher Nolan.
I want to rewatch it nga because I feel like I'm gonna appreciate it more on the second watch.
Tenet's so hard to understand. Project Hail Mary thoughts. I like the stone baby alien.
I just didn't expect it to be like a drama. I was expected it to be like, oh, that's crazy.
Ako din. Nakala
Oh my gosh, that was mind blowing. I didn't know it was gonna be like, oh.
Nakakaiyak pala siya.
Yeah.
I Will Find You. No. I haven't watched I Will Find You. What's that? Best cartoon movie? Cartoon movie to recommend.
Soul.
It's a good one. I just watched yung Beaver. I forgot the name. Where SZA has a soundtrack.
Oh.
That was really nice. I just watched it this year. But I love Zootopia. Zootopia 1. Yun yung first kong iniyakan na cartoon.
Seryoso ba? Zootopia 1.
Zootopia 1. I tried. Ay, meron bagong yun sa HBO eh. Yung they're gonna kill us. They're gonna kill you. That's really nice.
Kinancel ko yung subscription ko sa
HBO.
Kasi I just did it for
It's nice. It's a fun watch. They will kill you.
Nung tinapos ko yung I canceled na yung subscription ko sa HBO.
Ang tagal na nun ah.
That was like last year.
Last year pa. Ginagamit ko lang yung sa friend ko eh. Game of Thrones, no.
Nope.
Not a Game of Thrones person.
Nope. And I just think it's knowing how the ending is.
Oh, I don't know.
I have no motivation to watch it.
Wait, are we talking about the first one? Kasi di ba ngayon meron ngayon yung...
Ano may pangalawa?
No, like a spin-off, like the dragon thing?
I don't know. I'm just talking about like the main...
OG, the OG.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know how it ends.
Yeah.
What's a movie that you'll never forget kasi napaka messed up ng plot? Shutter Island for sure.
Shutter Island, Requiem for a Dream. What's like traumatizing?
For me, I'm never gonna watch Hereditary again.
Oh, Hereditary.
And Midsommar, yeah, those are like once in a lifetime things, but not in a good way. In a traumatic way. And I think Forgotten is really the Korean movie Forgotten. It's really messed up. Oh my gosh. Weapons or Sinners? Fun watch, Weapons, cinematography, Sinners. So
I haven't watched Sinners.
Sinners really nice.
I should watch.
You should watch it in 4K or whatever. Ang ganda ng cinematography. Kasi the aspect ratio changes throughout the movie. Yeah, that's why it's like very immersive. Like, what? Have y'all seen Scott Pilgrim? Of course, I've watched Scott Pilgrim. Fave Marvel movie, anything Doctor Strange. Colony, Winston has watched. Falsetto! Falsetto! Someone's telling me to do falsetto.
Oh, that's my greatest enemy.
Falsetto.
I remember when we first debuted, and I was like going through puberty.
Yeah.
There was literally nothing
No
would come
falsetto.
out. Yeah, zero.
But now, the device that we're using, 10%. Once it dies,
We're out.
we're out. Bring her back. Oh, I've seen that. That's messed up too.
Have you watched The Others?
No.
It's about like movie about ghosts.
No.
Oh my god, I think you'll enjoy it.
The other. Oh, 2001. Oh, Nicole Kidman. Okay, I like Nicole Kidman.
It is crazy. That movie.
Oh my gosh, he looks. Okay, I've seen. Oh my gosh, that kid. Does he look like that? I mean, no shade.
Yeah, that is like.
Oh my god, that's scary.
like genuine. That genuinely terrified me. That movie.
Yeah, old movies are scary.
Yeah. Hi, Erica. She's my Team Yay.
Contest.
No, the co-stars from Team Yay.
Do you read Wattpad? No.
Mulholland Drive was really messed up. Any David Lynch film is messed up, in my opinion. There's just no reason.
Wait, what David Lynch?
Like, I feel like you need to know what you're getting into if you're gonna watch a David Lynch film, or else it's just gonna creep you out and you'll never watch it again. But I liked Mulholland Drive and Lost Highway. That was pretty cool.
No, I haven't watched any David Lynch.
Not traumatizing, but just like it's gonna be like, what the heck did I just watch? After you watch it.
Yeah, no, I haven't watched any. Twin Peaks? Oh, it's a show. Oh, he does shows too. I didn't know that.
They said Twin Peaks is amazing. I haven't watched it.
Red. Comedy movie that will make you laugh. I loved Rough Night. That's my favorite comedy movie. With my sisters too. That's her favorite. I don't think you watch comedy that much, right?
I'm not a big fan of comedy. I'm not a big fan of romance and comedy.
Oh, I love rom-com sometimes. When I need a little cleanse. When I watch something so traumatic, I watch rom-com sometimes. Guilty pleasure.
Pag comedy, show ako. Netflix show. Pero hindi ako nanonood ng comedy na movie. I'm watching The Office right now.
The Office? Oh, I haven't started.
It's funny.
Meron na siyang may bago na siyang spin-off ngayon. Yeah. But it's a different show altogether, but still in The Office. Same creator, I think. Live action Avatar, no. Yeah, Ready or Not, I've watched a lot of that. Young Sheldon, napanood mo na daw?
Nope.
No. I know about it, but...
Breaking Bad. Breaking Bad is good.
Favorite Pinoy movie?
I don't know too many Pinoy
Starting
movies.
Over Again.
Y'all should watch My Two Mommies. I think it was a pretty good movie.
Yeah, I like
Good-
the kid there.
yeah, good
The
plot.
one with the French accent.
The kid's acting skills need some work.
Really?
That's like the one flaw, in my opinion.
I mean, for a child actor, that was like Grammy win. Grammy win. Music.
Oh
pala.
my gosh, I remember.
That was like
I
Golden
remember
Globe.
vividly.
That was a Golden Globe performance.
I remember vividly. They made during a scene that I had to cry.
During that,
For the movie, right? I had to cry, and I'm not a good actor. I mean, like, I'm not experienced, so I'm not used to crying on command. So we would have like three takes kami na walang lumalabas ng luha. And then the director, props to the director, he like had a one-on-one. He told everyone to leave the room, and then we had a one-on-one, and he started attacking me. And he was like telling me, no,
Oh,
physically,
okay,
like he was like think about this, think about,
like feeding you bad thoughts.
yeah, feeding you like horrible thoughts. And
Your
then,
blah blah dies.
Yeah. And then boom, and then I did it.
Yeah.
And I just kept going.
So it worked.
It worked, yeah. And then I remembered the feeling, and then I just activated it again.
The director was like, "What should I do to make this kid cry?"
It worked though. It worked.
I haven't tried that. Yeah, I haven't tried acting, so I wouldn't know how hard that would be. But I think.
I feel like I would enjoy acting more now.
But
Since-
what do you think would be your forte genre if you were an actor right now?
Thrillers.
Thriller.
Thrillers is gonna forte. Yeah.
So would you want to be the role of like the creepy kid or like the kid that gets creeped out?
The kid that gets creeped out.
Okay.
Yeah, I feel like it's hard for me to look scary.
Anong gusto mo sa diptyque? Calm down, no? Lion King experience.
Lion King experience. I think Lion King is the reason why I'm like, I don't know. I became. It's like
You became a performer.
yeah, like more performer. I feel like it's being an actor in movies and musical are very different. And if you act in a musical, everything has to be exaggerated, and it even looks unnatural.
Yeah, like you should be very
It actually
animated.
has to look unnatural, but it works. Whatever works. Yeah. Come to London.
It's very normal for like an actor to have foundations in theater
Yeah, yeah.
and then transition to film or television.
Yeah.
I think it's a nice foundation to have.
Because it super exaggerated musical. So like if you want to transition from musical to movie, then you just have to
Yeah.
lessen it.
I think the other way around would be harder.
Yeah, it would be harder to like learn something you don't have.
Comfort song right now. Let's see.
We both looking at their Spotify.
Let's see, because I have a lot of songs that I listen to. The Ryan Batesy album, Sweet Fortune. Comfort song. I like
Playground Love by Air.
Air. Is it a new thing, new release?
No, old.
This is a new release. Motivation for anchors. Anchors, keep doing what you're doing. Keep
Yeah.
working if you're working. Because the economy is hard right now.
It is.
So you should hang on. We will make more new music for you.
Hoary Wave was so fun.
Thank you so much to all of the people who are behind that.
Yeah. It's always fun to like have a stage na we have
full control.
Yeah, control. Because that's what makes us, performers. And it's fun to have creative touches. Percent.
5%.
Tofi, what are you doing here, Tofi? Tofi, stop.
Hi, Tofi.
Maglalaro pa ba yung Ravens sa ML? I think they will play ML again, but I won't be joining it anymore. Only because I realized that there's levels to this, and I'm just not great with mobile games, Like, I'm more comfortable.
애들아 너무 보고 싶어. 보고 싶어요. 오랜만이다.
Is that someone we know, or?
Yeah, that fan,
Yeah?
that specific fan,
Ash?
she always goes to our music shows in Korea.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, I remember. I don't think she has changed her profile picture since then. She was always watching.
Wow.
She was a Filipino in the music.
Okay, now I
yeah, she was.
remember.
She was the one screaming a lot.
Wow.
She should have a fan cam. She should have a fan cam.
Yeah, true.
She was in Music Bank. She was in Musiccore, in Arirang, and Countdown maybe even.
Rom-com, the drama. Go watch the drama.
I just watched voice notes for Isabel. Yeah, I just watched it last night. It was a good rom-com. I haven't watched a good rom-com in a while, and that was a good rom-com. It's on Netflix. Favorite Filipino song, I think any Four of Spades.
Favorite Filipino song.
Or any, there's a band I'm listening to right now, New Lore, really good music. I think they're a band from CSB, or I might be mistaken. Oh, Coach Bay!
Oh, hello,
Coach Bay! So thank you so much for your message during Hoary Wave.
I didn't expect that at all. That's
Thank
crazy.
you so much. We miss you so much. See you soon, see you soon!
See you soon, Coach Bay. See you soon. See you next month when I go there.
He's gonna go here too.
Oh, right. He's gonna go here before that. Yeah. Very cool.
Oh, I think the day that you're there, he might not be there.
Oh, no.
He might be swapping countries. Country swap.
Surely not.
Country swap. Kamusta Haibay? Super fast. O diba yun, no?
Oh yeah.
Super fast nung Haibay.
Haibay.
Wow, that
Yeah.
was...
I was like,
They were...
but it was fun though. Everyone was so fun. Like it's always so nakaka-uplift when we see our anchors like smiling and all happy because it makes us happy and then it makes us feel like, you know, the practice was worth it, preparation was worth it. So we motivate each
Yeah,
other.
they were really smart. Even though they were fast, I saw them.
Yeah.
They were really happy. Akala ko nga baka masad sila kasi nga super bilis. But like, they still look very bright and happy. Namu sarang ngayon kamkamda. I miss Isaac Toast. We miss Isaac Toast.
Yeah.
Isaac Toast, no.
And
Piruweo.
Mom's touch.
Yeah.
Cheese balls and Mom's touch.
Ah, Kyochon. Ah.
Ajik.
Isaac Toast. Isaac Toast.
I thought you said Ajik.
What kind of... I will try to make my own Isaac Toast maybe. I don't think it's too hard.
Oh my gosh.
I think you put honey sa ano sa bread.
I see when I go to convenience stores, I see egg drop. Korean.
Yeah, there's egg drop na here. There's
That
egg
was
drop.
pretty. That's cool.
So guys, send this to anyone who is gonna franchise Mom's Touch. You should franchise Mom's Touch in the Philippines. It will be very successful. I am telling you. If I could franchise Mom's Touch, I would have long time ago.
They franchised what?
BBQ, Gumne,
Yeah. They
Harry's,
franchised a few already.
Pari Baguette.
But Mom's Touch would kill it.
Yeah, would kill the Filipino market. They would love it here. It would be a success. Anong oras? Anong oras daw ihahagis yung manager natin sa pool? That's scary. Marcus doesn't like selling his things. We asked him if he wanted to sell his things.
I keep everything.
Yeah, he has sentimental value.
I am that kind of guy though. Yeah.
Me too, but I was like, I'm tired of my clothes. I wanted new clothes. Because some of those clothes were like from, I was in Batangas pa, which was like 5.
I guess if I sell something, it would be like a big, like something that is like a big purchase. You know what I mean?
Yeah, like bags.
Like sellable things. I mean, like tradable things. Gonna. Oh, my parents are here. Bye, guys. And it's 2%.
Yeah,
so
2%. Bye,
it's gonna die soon. Love you guys.
Okay, mayroon pa tayo. 2%. Marcus parents, Marcus 가족 왔어요. 네. 안녕하세요. 민치 혼자 있어요. 네. 네. Favorite Korean food, roasted tteokbokki. Right now, I am craving roasted tteokbokki. I actually DM'd Shanti. I was like, Shanti, you need to give me a place where I can get good roasted tteokbokki here. Because Lapilus gave us good roasted tteokbokki when we were in Korea, when we first arrived. And it was really good. So I'm in the hunt for a good roasted tteokbokki. That's the moon, guys. That's the moon. There, I'm in Katipunan. There's really good roasted tteokbokki. Nandito yung members. Oh no. That's a cat. What was your honest reaction sa swim? Very scared. And I was, katabi ko si Miss Ann Curtis that time. Miss Ann Curtis was beside me and I didn't know what to do. I was like, because I'm a big fan of Miss Ann Curtis. So I was nervous and starstruck both at the same time. That was my vibe. Yeah. Thank you guys for wishing us happy 3 years. Thank you so much for all the anchors, and yeah, thank you for listening to our music, and we hope to release more soon, really soon. We will be going on vacation for some time, so if you miss us, please stream our latest songs, Lunod and Fly With It. But yeah, we will be taking some time off, and we will be seeing you very soon, hopefully with new music. Please vlog. Guys, I'm a homebody. I don't know what to vlog if I would be vlogging. 1%. Okay, we're almost done. More rapping parts. Oh, that's scary. Rapping parts are very intimidating for me. Thank you, anchors. 3 years. We will see each other soon. Ang init na. Thank you. Oh, ang tagal niyo malubat, guys. Coronadal. Yeah, we miss flying out. Please, if you have events in your cities, please request Horizon, so we will have chances to meet you guys. We really miss our Visayas, Mindanao people, our fans from other sides of the Philippines. So please just request us, and we will try our best to fly to you and fly with it. Thank you for the lovey-dovey. Of course. Anything for the anchors. Here are the other members. But we cannot show their bodies because they are shirtless. Guys, palobot na. Bye-bye kayo. Bye-bye. All the ways I say it in a secret language. Oh,